How to withdraw money on Revolut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to withdraw money on your Revolut account. So first of all, just simply open your Revolut account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged into your Revolut account, in order to withdraw your money on your Revolut account, there are few ways through which you can withdraw the money. So if you want to withdraw to your bank account, you need to go to the home screen and select payments, and then tap on the plus symbol and then the bank recipient, and enter the necessary details on the screen and create the payment link. And if you don't have the bank details, you can also transfer money through another bank account with different currency. Or if you want to withdraw cash from an ATM, make sure that you have enough fund in your card, and the card that you want to use is active. Cash withdrawals are enabled, and you know your PIN. Then find the ATM and follow the instructions. Revolut doesn't charge any fees for national or international cash unless you don't go over your monthly limits. Or if you want to withdraw from your saving accounts, you need to go to the home screen and tap on the account section and then saving accounts. Then just simply tap on withdraw and set the amount and confirm your withdrawal. And if you want to withdraw from your pocket, then you have to go to the home screen again and just tap on the account section, choose your pocket, then withdrawal. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, and you can only withdraw money from the pocket if you are the admin or the admin of a group pocket that has given you permission. So these are the few ways through which you can withdraw the money from your Revolut account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.